Myself, Dr. Vikas Sharma, Chief Neurologist, Neuro Super Specialty Center, Amritsar. Today, I'm going to discuss something about ketogenic diet for epilepsy. The ketogenic diet or keto diet is a medical or therapeutic diet. This is designed to manage or treat a medical condition called sort of a resistant epilepsy. The keto diet is suggested for the children with epilepsy that continue despite medications. This is one of the oldest forms of medical treatment for epilepsy. This is traditionally being used for the children ages 0 to 18 years of age. However, there is growing evidence that it can be used in adults also. The ketogenic diet, how it acts? The ketogenic diet basically produces a state of ketosis in the body. It produces ketones in our body, and ketones act like the anticonvulsant drugs. The similar way the anticonvulsant drugs stop seizures, similarly these acids work to stop seizures in our body. This ketogenic diet consists basically of 70 to 80% fats, around 20% proteins, and 5 to 10% carbohydrates. In what conditions we use this ketogenic diet? Ketogenic diet is used in case of resistant epilepsy, the cases where seizures continue to occur despite adequate medications. In spite of giving proper medications, children used to have frequent seizures, like resistant cases of infantile spasms, West syndrome, Bruce syndrome, static myoclonic epilepsy, Rett syndrome, Dravet syndrome, and GLUT1 deficiency. Mind you, this GLUT1 deficiency is one such condition where this diet is helpful in approximately 95% of cases. So very useful in such difficulty. In other cases also, in around 50% of the children, this diet is helpful in controlling the seizures in up to 50%. What type of food can we have in this ketogenic diet? Ketogenic diet comprises primarily fats, then proteins, and then carbohydrates. Strictly speaking, in 4:1 ratio, and can be given in 3:1 ratio also. In fats, we can have cream, butter, margarine, oils, nuts, nut butters, avocados. In proteins, we can have poultry, red meat, fish, cheese, eggs, milk, and nuts. And carbohydrates, we can have natural carbs like vegetables and fruits. This ketogenic diet is primarily used in case of resistant epilepsies. Up to 60% of children who try this supervised ketogenic diet experience a 50% of greater reduction in seizure epilepsy. And in adults also, 40 to 50% of adults who try this supervised ketogenic diet experience a 50% reduction in the seizure frequency. There are various other benefits also of this ketogenic diet, like patients experience alertness, concentration improvement, and improvement in various psychological functions and quality of life in following this type of ketogenic diet. What age group? This can be used in all age groups, right from the infants to adults. In infants, we have some issues like already they are on lactation. So we can mix those formulas with expressed breast milk, or we can give a bit of breast milk plus some formula milk to ensure proper ketogenic diet. There is a difficult problem in adults, but otherwise in other age groups, we have fixed ratio of 4:1 of fats to carbohydrates plus proteins. What are different kinds of ketogenic diet? There is one classical ketogenic diet plus second one is medium chain triglyceride diet. Classical ketogenic diet, most of the fat comes from fat part. It is 70 to 80% comes from the fats. Rest comes from the protein plus carbohydrates. But in medium chain triglyceride diet, we have slightly more space for the carbohydrates, and the fat part comes from the natural fatty acids plus medium chain triglyceride fatty acids, which which come in the formulas in the market and available on the prescription. So this ketogenic diet is a way forward for the people who are suffering from resistant epilepsy and already tired of using 2 or 3 medications and even they're not controlled. For them, this is a ray of hope and an option, and that too with a diet only, and plus other benefits it provides. Now, this ketogenic diet is usually is a routine topic in various conferences and symposiums all over the world. So definitely it is going to reduce the seizure burden and improve the quality of life of children suffering from the resistant epilepsy. And it is very easy to administer. How it is given? Initially, for a day or two, patient or child is admitted in a hospital, and for a day he is kept in a fasting state. After that, this diet is instituted under the supervised care of a dietitians, and the parents and the children are properly taught how to give this diet in the future. And how long we have to give this diet? The child is put on this diet. He is supervised by a team of neurologist, dietitian, after every 2 to 3 months. And after 2 years, we generally wean it down to a routine previous diet which the child was taking before starting this ketogenic diet. How this diet controls epilepsy? As I've already mentioned, this diet produces a state of ketosis, produces ketones. Instead of using carbohydrates, body utilizes fats, and fats metabolism produces ketones. These ketones act like anticonvulsant drugs, act similar to them, and these can easily cross our blood-brain barrier and enter the brain where they produce anti-epileptic, anti-seizure effects. And this has been known since ages. When in the past also people used to take fast, people used to starve, and they noticed when they used to starve, their seizure frequencies come down because in that state body uses its own fats, stored fats to produce ketones. In this diet we give fats from the outside, so it is a similar state as to fasting. So this is how this diet works to control seizures.